So this is the start of the Berlingo project. What are we doing tonight, Ryan? As we can do, and lo and behold, behind it, the guy's already sound deadened it, hasn't he, Ryan?
Yeah, just save us some time.
And he's done the roof, which we can see, which is good.
Yeah,
saved us loads of time.
So that we did say it was quiet from day one.
Yeah, we did.
So,
oh, sorry, that's my iWatch.
So that does save us a bit of time. So what we need to do now. Bars removed. That just gives us a bit of extra space when we put in the bed.
Loads more space. Loads more space.
The double seat sadly is fixed, so without taking it out and removing it, which we don't plan on doing, but we can work with that.
Yeah,
not a problem. So
yeah,
it just gives us that little bit of extra space there for the bed to sit down that side. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our matting out, which is just behind those here.
Oh, that's heavy one hand.
So we're using Dodo mat, which is recommended at the minute. So it literally just sound deadening sheets, very similar to what gentlemen's used. They are self-adhesive. So we're going to lay these out now on the fan, and we're going to.
We've also got this.
This is the Dodo fleece, which is the actual thermal insulator to keep you warm in one big roll. So we're going to get that.
Stuff that behind the panels.
That's going to go behind the panels. The panels are going to go back on. And we're also going to put in a false roof, which will come up to there. So we're going to put some up there as well when we do the roof. So that's what that's for, just to keep it a bit warmer. So that's what we're going to do now.
Insulation behind that panel, and that panel. We are going to insulate underneath the false roof when we put that on tomorrow. And now we're going to put... Here we are then. He's only 29, would you believe it? So,
28.
it's actually the next day. I know we're still drinking the same beers, but it is actually the next day. We have been home. Curtains. One. Second one's going in. And then tonight, we are going to attempt the roof. Ryan's been to B&Spew today and got some tongue and groove. Haven't you, Ryan?
Yeah.
How much were they a pack?
Around 12, 13 quidish.
£12 for a pack.
5.
A pack of 5.
Covers about 90 centimetres square.
So, the problem we've got is we're going to have to make some battens. We're going to put one along here at the top. Sorry, it's a bad angle, that. One along here at the top, because we've got the middle one there. And one at the end there. And then obviously just make sure we know where the lights are going. Drill some holes for the lights, insulate it, happy days.
As easy as that.
Easy as that. It might be one big time lapse tonight because it's going to be... Oh, he's drinking, isn't he? Right, this is a little progress update. I am whispering because there's people around and they don't know that we're fully fledged YouTubers, do they, Ryan?
Yeah, very, very popular.
Yeah, we've got 3 million subscribers now.
3,000,001.
So you're very lucky if you watch these. That's what we're up to. Curtains in. Very, very neat job by Mr. Wilkinson of the roof.
That helped a little bit.
Yeah, looks good. 4 spotlights. Insulated inside, didn't you, Ryan?
Yep.
You did take a picture of that.
I've got a picture somewhere.
Yeah, you got a picture of that for proof. And then tonight, obviously the big divided curtain. We need to find one for the slidey door.
Yes, we do.
But do we? Yes, we do. We'll argue about that off camera.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah.
Right.
I don't think we can
So,
take any more of that.
so this is what we're doing tonight, isn't it, Ryan?
Yeah.
Should we try and unravel one-handed?
One. I can get 2 hands.
This is the colour we've gone for. A nice, bright and vibrant colour. Because it is a bit dark in there, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's just blackout curtains doing their job.
Yeah,
As they should do.
I agree. So we'll cut this off now. It's 5 o'clock on Saturday night. We've just finished work. What time is it?
It's 5:30.
Fucking
Time's
sorry,
ticking.
I have to beat that out. Time is flying by.
Yeah.
So we're going to cut this out now, stick it on there with some adhesive glue, bang that in the back, and I think that's tonight's job, isn't it?
That's tonight's job.
And then next
Unit
episode,
bed.
yeah, is we've decided we're gonna buy a unit, and I know people are gonna say that's cheating.
It is, but at the same time, in the time it'll take us to build something and measure it out, and you can literally do it for the same money, and we'll just modify whatever we buy
Yeah.
to fit over that.
So we're thinking quite far out, aren't we?
13-inch.
13-inch it was, obviously to here,
Yep.
and about that height. Very accurate measurements there.
Very, very accurate.
And then the rest of it is just going to be the bed, hopefully
Yeah.
an L-shape kind of style.
L-shape with a pull-out
Yeah,
to meet up to the unit.
we're actually really close.
That will maximise the amount of space that we can get on the bed.
I feel like we should have some coals in the corner because it's like a sauna vibe. Should we stain that?
Discuss that. Yeah, I think we should.
What should we use? Tea bags?
Just get a blowtorch and we'll just...
I thought you were going to say something else then, Ryan. Oh yeah, it is heating up. Right, let's crack on. Ciao for now. Bye bye.